drowning in deadlines and double bookings. Let's untangle that mess and supercharge your productivity with Clockify Scheduling, a game-changing tool for planning your team's time. First, access the scheduling feature, usually located in the left-hand navigation panel, by clicking on the calendar icon. This opens a clear, visual calendar where you can see everyone's availability. To create a new schedule entry, simply click and drag on the calendar to select the desired time slot. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in the details, enter the task name, choose the relevant project, and most importantly, assign the task to a team member. Use the drop-down menu to select the person responsible for the task. Clockify will then display the user's schedule. You can also manage team availability directly from here. Mark working hours, days off, and even vacation time, making sure you're always assigning tasks to people who are actually free. By using Clockify Scheduling, you'll not only optimize resource allocation, but also improve project outcomes. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Clockify tips.